It's okay. Thank you very much. It's very gracious of you.
You don't?
Okay, time for a fun stop.
Oh yeah, this is going to be this.
I'm going to give the clues and these guys are going to do the running. The name of the game is Hurry for the Hero. This morning, we're being challenged to find a picture of the hero that matches an audio clue that we're going to be given. We have 5 of the 8 band members. 5, right? And Nev. So we have 6 people competing.
No, and 7. And Simone makes 7.
I can't dash in these heels.
No, you are going to dash.
I can't dash.
Hold on, go back to the... Who is George? I'm George. Put up your hand now, George. Make us see who is George. Who is Jordan? There you go. Who's Matthew? There you go. Who's Moses? And who's Dimitri? Let me leave out Dimitri, by the way. Dimitri look like him don't run come nice studio.
So why over here? You have to be over there with him.
You, 2 of us in the things.
I have to read the clue.
Yeah, read
from
it.
From here.
Yeah, and then we just take it out and we win. That's simple.
That's cheating. But then you're used to that. You can't teach a young man that that's the right thing.
No, wait. So where they must do...
Oh, I can't read the clue. It's an audio clue. All right. I thought I had it all worked. Where you going?
Well, take this money, man.
Stop playing then. To thief. Can't thief on Heroes Day.
First,
I run the clue. You the clue.
In front of everybody, because I'm old everybody. Me have to get a jump.
What's the clue, miss?
What? What's the clue?
This hero
was a leader of the Maroons who was known for cleverness in guerrilla warfare. Find this hero in 3, 2, 1.
Look how you're stepping on the hero. Oh my God. Sorry, sir.
None of the Maroons. This only me one say it, you know, so me win.
Unfortunately, that was not the instructions you were given.
We will look for. But you just take mine. So me is the only one who do have none. Me out. I am going to cry.
You did it on purpose. Oh my gosh.
No, I am going to cry. Because I am out.
That's a good strategy now. Good strategy.
What is the next? Oh no.
Yeah.
We can get this. Wait, no, suppose you get the same person. Back over there. Oh, I must take them out. Take them out. Oh, I am so disappointed. I lose. I feel like I want to go home. You know me, I'll cry. All right, so then I will read the next one.
All right, I see the strategy now. I'm going to employ it.
Then beat me.
Where do you the queue?
JC beat me again.
This hero was a Baptist leader in Montego Bay and the main instigator of the 1831 Christmas Slave Rebellion. Find this hero in 3, 2, 1.
Actually, there were 2 Baptist leaders.
Yeah, there were 2.
Wait, no? There were 2 Baptist leaders in a unique. Yes, there were 2 Baptist leaders. Yeah, Paul and who? Paul and... Good job, guys. So which one of them is in Mobe? Which one of them was in Mobe?
Sam Sharp.
Oh dear, would you look at that? I'm eliminated as well.
Sam Sharp.
But hold on, somebody else get knocked out over there too.
Hold on, man.
Is which one of them
Spin round that one there. Spin round this one. That one alone. Is who me tell him, me tell somebody, you know. Paul Bogle have to go back to the pan. I tell somebody the answer, by the way. By the way, the rules are nobody moves until the end of the clip. Oh. Until the end of it, nobody moves. But I tell somebody the answer while I was saying, oh, I change you, man.
All right, what's the next clue?
Next one. Oh, you out of the game, you know, because you never get no picture. A bear. Yeah. So Matthew is out.
Yeah.
14. What's the message here? What is the next one, please? What a game.
This hero was born in St. Anne and started the Universal Negro Improvement Association. He was conferred with the First Order of the National Hero. Find this hero in 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, why are you crushing up the hero, the poor heroes? Oh my gosh! Protect our heroes. Come over here and see what's in there.
Much you say, I may look for.
And nobody got
But
any
him is the
music?
last man, so you're supposed to. And his match you find it for you.
I'm so
Bless you,
sorry.
bless you. The thing says 0, which meaning for me? Come me that cry. I've never had so much
This
fun
hero
in my
was a
life.
self-educated landowner from St. Thomas. He was known to encourage slave protests and sold farmlands to the poor for cheap. Find this hero in 3, 2, 1.
What did you say?
All I hear is St. Thomas. All I hear is St. Thomas. I'm fighting him again.
No, it's
Come here, that mistake. Let me see a mistake. No, show
No,
me.
let me see the mistake. Oh dear. Wow.
yeah. Come home,
You're
Papa.
out,
Come, come,
Come over
come.
here.
Just
Yeah, but
come.
you're out, you're out. This guy, put that
Goodbye.
back in, okay.
All right.
Yeah, so that makes man out.
Really?
Thank you.
Give me all of
You know,
those.
me feel that me win my game and card. Me was the first man out.
One again.
All right.
Let me take the cup.
What's the
Right,
next one?
right.
This hero was from Stony Gut. He led a protest march to the Morant Bay Courthouse in 1865. Find this hero in 3, 2, 1.
So he one them gets pushed up. My word.
Like your last one. Yeah. Look like, yeah, look like you out. You out. You out. Come on.
Good job, though.
You try. Let's take care, my brother. First time JC beat themselves. I didn't have to do it. Next one. What did we not get, by the way?
This hero was born in Roxborough, Manchester, and founded the People's National Party. Find this hero in 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
What the town have something different.
Yes.
So what's the drum roll? Drum roll?
Yes, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Womp, womp, womp.
So it seems
Nale.
like Jordan is the winner.
We can't
Jordan.
clap him. He's over
Yeah,
the
look at
TV.
And Jordan